Ground citation 300 Juliet Whiskey is ready to taxi from Pentastar with Quebec.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, Pontiac ground, runway 27 left, taxi Charlie.
27 Lafayette Charlie, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Aero 220, and you're ready to taxi, you said?
Yeah, ready to taxi, Aero 220, on roll east.
Aero 220, runway 27 left, taxi via Foxtrot Delta Golf, cross runway 18.
7 left via Foxtrot Delta Golf, cross runway 18, Aero 220.
Alright, we're trimmed. Alright, here we go. Anything prior to V1 will abort. Stop on runway, maximum braking. Little wind from the left. Alright, power's coming up. 2 good engines. 2 in takeoff. Power's achieved. Airspeed's alive. Through 70 knot checks. V1, rotate. Positive rate, gear up. V2 plus 10, flaps up.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, contact Detroit departure. See ya.
Go over to departure, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Detroit departure, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, 2.5, climbing 3,000, runway heading.
November 300 Juliet Whiskey, Detroit departure, radar contact, turn right heading 090, climb and maintain 5,000.
Right, 090 up to 5,000, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Alright, 3 green, no red, flaps are full, everything's done but the grind. Wrong glide slope.
$500.
Checks. Little wind from the right. I'll scooch on over.
Station 0 Juliet Whiskey, say parking.
We're going to signature.
Station 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn left to Kilo 2, taxi signature via Kilo, good night.
Kilo 2 via Kilo 0 Juliet Whiskey, good night.